Hey guys, it's Mai from MyHealthyDish, and today I'm making one pan turmeric chicken and rice. So I have 2 chicken thighs. I'm gonna season it with some salt, pepper, and paprika. Flip it over. I'm just gonna rub it in. Time for the pan. Here's our pan, some avocado oil, medium-high heat because we want a nice sear on the chicken. Skin side down. It's been about 2-3 minutes. Let's flip it over. And while that's cooking, we're gonna add our carrots, celery, onions, and garlic. Don't worry, all the measurements will be in the description. Smells so good already. Okay, so the chicken has been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It's not done yet. We just wanted that nice sear. My trick to keep it nice and moist is chicken stock. So I'm gonna put about 3/4 cup of chicken stock in there, and we're gonna cover this with a lid. Let that finish cooking for another 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. The chicken, I would say, is about 80% done. But don't worry, we still have some cooking to go. We're gonna add 1 cup of white rice. We're gonna pour the rest of our chicken stock, and this is about 1 3/4. I don't know if we need that much, so I'm gonna just do 1 1/2 for now. And I have just some chopped up mushrooms. You can put any veggies you like in here. What's turmeric chicken without turmeric? So we're gonna add some turmeric in here, and it's gonna give the rice a nice yellow color. And turmeric doesn't have that much flavor, but it adds a lot of nutrients, and it's really good for inflammation. Just a little bit more salt and pepper. We'll mix this up and cover it up. Wow, this looks really good. I think I'm gonna add the rest of the chicken stock because it looks like the rice is already starting to absorb a lot of it. And now we just cover it. And we're gonna let this simmer for another 10 minutes. Okay, and the big reveal. Wow. That looks so good. I'm gonna add just a little bit of butter and let that like melt in. If you guys know me, I'm obsessed with TikTok, and there's this TikTok hack. If you microwave a lemon and then you puncture it, it should squeeze out. So, you ready for it? Does it work? Oh my. Well, I guess it worked. And that is our 1 pan turmeric chicken and rice. I think it's time to dig in and see if this tastes as good as it looks. So what's great about these 1 pan dishes is that you have 1 pan to wash. Let's try a piece of this chicken first. Super tender. So good. And rice. If you like healthy recipes that are done quick, saves you time, go to myhealthydish.com, and don't forget to subscribe for more.